Interesting. I don't know if you've been watching the presidential debates in the US.
Yes.
They've been hotting up, and Hillary Clinton seems to be doing quite well.
The
Democrats had their first session of presidential debate, but what was also interesting is that there was one Etemesi, a Kenyan, who wrote criticizing Donald Trump, and Donald Trump apparently actually answered
Fox
to him.
News.
Yes, on Fox News.
Exclusive.
Absolutely, and if I can pull it out, I don't know what you think of that. And remember, there was a time, although that was rumor, that Donald Trump had said he would ship all Kenyans back to Kenya.
It was from a comic site. It was from a comic site, though, that particular one. But Trump, you do know he's a showbiz guru. For him, anything that would trend makes sense for him. And I think he's just finding things to do. I do hope, though, that it's not in jest. You know, the whole Etemesi writing and then the other guy writing back. And Etemesi is known for such kind of articles which are hard-hitting and which nobody wants to do. It's just creating a lot of buzz locally. I'm not too sure if it's creating a lot of buzz right back there.
Well, the fact that Trump actually answered, I think...
The world has become a global village. Anybody can answer. We've had Kagame answering to Levi Kones. We've had people
he
answer.
actually answered the tweet.
So you could tweet Obama and then
And
be like,
he'll
yo,
answer you.
and then he'll answer. It's become such a small village. So
Internet is getting us there. And
At
maybe
least it
for
didn't take
those
2
who may
weeks.
not have read the article, he wrote a 2,000-word article calling Mr. Trump, this is Etemesi, an ugly white supremacist who should hire an editor to refine his nauseating speeches. He added that Mr. Trump was full of attitude but devoid of character in a special article for the New York Times. But you've mentioned that Trump is mainly a showbiz guy. Do you think he's playing this really as per the script?